great transformational plan. I just said, it's a Sompa, a back, young type process in another.
Ora align kwajo chrematin ena yeten nkano kofa by movement for change akane chief of staff edema mampani dada John Jekum Kufo abreso ne papa kwajo mpiani eno de atudwa wo chirim se garanse hu ntokwaku a ye nyina ye konsi ebetu ase a organize labor for se ebeti egu montreso aye ye kyerɛso we nya ye kyerɛ sembia eye semoni aban ne kɔtrase no yi nani suade hu kwampa opeso ofa so na gadamse no wo sia no na ene amokɔ no ne mokakura na mtumu se mosomo dia amode beto nanim ginasie papa bi amana mutie agu montreso dia na ne obi ate ase na sekri chen ye chesi montreso ye kyerɛ ne dia wo akwadwo mpianim se nye we ni anu ye no.
You know, this is a national concern. It's something which affects almost everybody in the country. And therefore, both organized labor and government should sit to find out what is the way forward. You see, assuming organized labor go on strike and government does not take any action, what happens at the end? So I think they should go some demands, sit with government and give their proposals to government as the way forward. If government refuses to do anything about them, then if you're telling us that are going to a strike, I may even want to support you because I put down concrete proposals as the best way to handle the problems facing us, and government is unconcerned about that. At that stage, if you want to go on strike, maybe I will join you to go on strike. And I will plead that this is a very national sort of essential sort of problem for all of us. So organized labor, you must be concerned as everybody is concerned. So take your proposals to the government. We believe this is the way to go. If government refuses to listen to you or something, then let's know. And then we'll know, we'll find a way forward. But strike, I don't think initially going on strike is the best way.
Ora kwajo MP name ene yete ne nkano Attorney General ya o ya atentrene soafo no munyamfo Godfred yebo adame wono ene odi nsem bi atudwa a wo kire mu se ebraso se gadamse hu nsem adede da court dan wodo mu no obaye ne ntentem adi asem nam so memra fofra aba no wode aye adwuma na wo kasa wo annual conference of Association of Magistrates and Judges wo mu dwumadi a wo ye no afiafe ena Godfred yebo adame se gadamse hu nsem egu court a wodo ye wo aduanan emu nipa wo gina mra nanim ya hanwotwe adunum enti wosre wo munya ne ntentem na entumimwa ose 2019 eno ye amendment ewo Minerals and Mining Act no mu ye beto dwaso obi pia da obakodi eho bone e beche no ye Ghana ni mfinhia dunum wo ye wo no waba na so de wonti se dogo bi no abe na obe ye wo poman akwa akotu ye go odua eno so mfinhia no aduanu ene ye de be bia mokon hu nti osre malady so wonya ne ntentem na ensama wo duo no nkankyera agegefo no enya ntantantantantam said ye be na emrafo free wo betumi ede ayadwuma.
Courts in the Western, Eastern, Ashanti, Greater Accra, and Upper East regions of Ghana. Some have been pending since 2020. This situation, with all respect, cannot be right. We are in urgent national crisis, and all citizens and institutions with any form of role to play must be called upon to act. Your leadership, I therefore respectfully call on you to direct all judges sitting on Galamsey cases to conclude the cases, the hearing of which has started within 1 month from the commencement of the legal year on 10th October 2020. Reasonably, it can be done. But of course, it's always subject to the discretion of the courts. And the judges are in control of the courtrooms. Indeed, if most of these cases are completed within a month, it will go a long way in delivering justice for the heinous harm caused to the people by the devastating acts. Politicians must also desist from encouraging Galamsey through their rhetoric and actions. Those who preach amnesty for Galamsey offenders must be rejected. There should be no place for the grant of amnesty for such crimes in our body politic, as the lives of citizens and future of our nation are at risk.
We a lawyer Penny Godfred Yebo Adame o si e ne sa ebema won ma ye bi no ene ehu bu atom so sanse so mo visha dunum de anya mo friendship mu afiafe ye ne ma se be kwoto se be ba from inflation no aban de obu nkontama na obenfo kobena anim wode ababa tudwa ya wo kire mu se sabre no enuane eho eto no akosoro ham nchemu aduonu mienu akiripo no ebaako na wode free August de no an wabu nkontai enso ede aba na se de obu nkonta no so enie wo se busumi die no na chese aduane no akosoro kanye ni suro peja aye ne dia na nka busumi numa toa so a inflation atumi akofom a ena emu so ede apejai o se niema ye kra ede free nkofo ama so ede ba no akosoro ham nchemu du nso akiripo wo hunu de free he ya nso ham nchemu du nsia akiripo no ebaako eye restaurant eni a ogibia ham nchemu aduonu nso akiripo enkron adan ensuo anwodeni eframeja ene fam goa idigu ye ka mu ne ho mprempren wade ham nchemu no aduonu miensa akiripo nso enson obenfo kobena enim.
Of September 2024, year-on-year rate of inflation stood at 21.5%, indicating that between September 2023 and September 2024, the average price levels of goods and services went up by 21.5%. On a year-on-year basis, for September 2024, prices of goods and services went up by 21.5%. This indicates a 1.1 percentage point variation between the year-on-year inflation that was recorded in August 2024, which stood at 2.4%, relative to the 21.5% that has been recorded for September 2024. Disaggregating this from a food and non-food perspective, food inflation recorded a higher rate of 22.1%, while non-food inflation recorded 20.9% for the month of September 2024.
Professor Kobena enim wono na ya ban nkuntabufo ena yete na no disemnom yenuanom a omo nam ba bia ka kakra disability association of Asunafo South wonom na ekasai se wo musika bia kwhyem finsha be se nani ya wo nsanso ntumi enkaye wo se disability common fund enam so mo atworo nkrata na ekukom district assembly fo na wo mate wo so ntesikoko chidom hina ogine mo makukom na nanom atrankonya na efri ye Japan otosomienu ena gina wo man osan ni kwakutachi otosomienu anam agi petition no na ebere akwadwo mframa na wo gina Richard Osebo nso anam kasa no se wo ma bompanifo abono ema yade banso se meboa na nko yabubure mase pro akwadwo so de no pabo boto wo ma bra bomu no yentumi ntufiri ho
Franco osi anaso oye osi anam e wa assembly wo no kwasem se nyema ni ohawa ye fomu nyina ye hawo ekonomi ma on tinenu ma ye onsom na ebumpo no ayakayaka dia ode ye manfo no bi famu no enya agro wo hono ma okwa onya kasada nkyerɛw obeka asema sabi ya e dia kyerɛw wo kokra na enka wo se sabra assembly wo ne fa wo ha wo ekra ho ni enam sa ye ntino ama ye manfo no bi abamu assembly wo no kwa no monko na ho so na esika ba ebesie wo se ye ko ni etimi ya bi na etimi de kosu ye bibi na etimi de ye aduma ye bibi na se ye ho fa ya etimi de akwaya assembly wo dawroma ma me de enfie nan ni anase e ko enfie nan ni oni e betena ya oni entina asomdie mu ana oni ente asetena problem.
Nanu achwe NDC no asan parliamentary candidate ewo Asunafo South on Munyamfo Frank Adusi Poku ensu kirem no so omoboa pa o mate group yes kaneba na ni group no mu aye ma se awam so omunya agro na chese onu so nkire mu a ode ba ye enie
anamo a ebinum tumre nokure biani na sabi o yese wo nya hwe amawa ase asengensa nokure ne se me betena konye emra na nka se omusika ba Farmer Disability Association no mu nkwachew o se o mu adwi nyina ne se sika ba yemfa ma o mu no mu nkwache ma nkofo no mu ndi eno de me adusibogu minye o yese people living with disability must be supported and wo no watiku a eno ntere se nipa na nya member of wuku na sabi o ye cha ade enya se onya na de oti chenchensi boso no obeda nante abase wo okuo edu ye meeting okukom ha obeg eni so wo ukuo no wase wati ukuo na me ne akonkurase manfo ho a omu hiamwa wo se nipa no nya member of ukuo na ema na me ne na da ekuo no aban na se etugu so it's not necessarily to be a member of umukuo no ansa na bia o cha de awa ye de wo mani bi o ha wo the letter by say chairman the letter by say disability for appointing is on government appointee. And I'm saying, what? One of the countries was DCB, say Disability Association, one can bet me at Dubiaba, say, and the government appointee. What is that? It's mean your boy at Ayokofu, madam. Okay, also issue. Any pan is a brand for issue, bra. Becca was a make demonstration. Criteria, and then say, we a DC, one to office. Obiaba, Sabio or Yari, or Yasika Kotodru, Sabio, one Namako to be or the form on Timmy Crown, sorry, only rich and watching. One Namako to be Sabio and San and 9 or pursue a Dibojabu Jaka. These are the people as of support to.
Yetwa kasiabono eso na no ye ne abosumi etwa mu ne da na toso aduasa ene Kumase Tech Great Hall ene di sie ma fekuo no omudu omdwuma so bi na adwumadue no ase ene edi hu ya ne se drom bi abotenkum akwa gino se Kumase forma e wodwom epa mampani dada His Excellency John Dramani mama Chelsea no kwasem nie omo pane cho papa omo adwuma so wodi no asante mantemu nanso ni nyina mu wo manto aba no woman you say poto na no no ba ma wo huri gina timpie so kokasa ya ese frɛ no na na akosua pokua wono di drum no animu a wo de sa echopa no e de ekoma ye na sɛmu ena race course for ma omno so ye edwadi for ma e wodwom e wasantimanta mu krotam Kumase mu wo mo kasa ma fo no reja ba fo no si woyo la yira obi ansoma wo mo nka ho ti san koma no e course no e o mo nka ho wono so nkyere mu nie
na ba fukaya wonam esumase ade opienti obi nam sumase ade adwodifo di a wa shate bi didin na akopam ama cho se adwodifo se ye pani chow na saka se tie ahmati de se sore boye ni de suoma yeso so aso ya ahmache ana asore se ye de ye yesu no duma be ha no duma na momu no saka sa na ka de ni je ka saka sa mama ke pani chow o se 4 years na punishment for the komu ye hu ye do right sa ukoka wo se won teshe oti obia e di sani pa we bibia no ye de won ka ye man se ye kopa de cho ye pa ne cho na mo de ka se ye agerifo abuwa do shisha banti no ana ye mo be se bio wo se ka mo se ye mo be se for ye ba go school ye mo be se be ko yi tu ma ton ana ye ba go school ye bi bio
agita o wowura ja uba afọ na kasa de ma na chewa oba hema owo Kumase race course wame ene bantemedwum na no ache na madam Esther J ya no so egina mu no so de bi eto aso
sorry no me ya ko fo do da roma an wo me ma kwanya wei am ye ba be dida ya ha dako na ya teche ni ba chia sia na be ni petu ba ya ma mi fo party o ti ya no o so o mama ya brem o be ku ani na ma ye ma mi che wa de tinini se ma no wo mu hu ama ya ba na tutumoto mfonso ebe jesika osama ya kwetufo ama ya bajoma omse anuti ya basi akache mama se ya jadifo e wa sante legend ya nu ya ude biara da se ya batu aba adi ama onu mama demo ya wa kufu ado wa ba ya no ni sise bo ya no obi anya ho faso mi a mi jira we ni wa doctor mi fie ni wa engineer mi fie kanene kamini wan fie ba bi school me chichire me ntuma ma mi dia ko de church na kama ko ton na kama dia ko church school fees esinne ebra yawra ekufo do ba
agita na ye wie ni nyina deputy national organizer de mani di si amanyokuo Orai Abigail Elom Akwamba Mensa obey nso wonam papa ya wo bontoa eton eni di si amanyoko ndi akere Ghana fo said ye be na woto aba wasiginaye na ne buta nyina ne se NDC Women Manifesto no obechechemu na wode akere Ghana fo ne tituru ne emma senhye pa Excellency John Dramani mama so e wode ma wonum no okasa de achepa echechitafo e wodade so aba Esutifi South abato empesua so ni tiremu bi eni
na eduru abato a no akopone saa sika no kakra bi no de akoto wo fadampem no de akoto magi onga no de akoto emu no akoto condemn no akoto elisikan no de 20 Ghana ashe matches box no de abrel o se to abama me na o hwe ukochina ho o hwe alaji collins down there ni saa o se alaji ukura we di ache nti enye mamento ma we baako because of condemn any 20 Ghana waton wo da ache
we ya owura Abigail Elom Akwamba ono na ye madom pianfo de mani di si amanyoko abedi eche Sompa chede adwumadi a bronya biada yenam adofo mo waso ni ye kurafo ni nyankanso adoye brena drusu biem se wo pe bibia hunu no nyankropon ya de kese wa brabo no mu a ene ene ntonchie na fa bibebo asaye mo anwa entoma eniema yedi a enseye fabra ye Sompa soame anase nkransan so a wo de beko Sompa Ghana Commercial Bank building nim sunyane so night market wa na ye sika na wo pese wo de boa adwumadi a ye memo line ye 05 9855 9802 05 9855 9802 Blessed Foster another one OCP Ghana say nananuma mudua to so die we dia tadwe o matedene mometo bi nkotungu so na enso do so enso emfa emmamo baako ne duduo mu 0555 909437 Sante Boa Benedict Samufo Penny wono so ne kase boy so ma me begu hwasew edema mo wo ba nwofefo kukua Veronica Jandro adwumewura watrafidie ne chechechim ne kama so dia mame yanko MCR hoye Azuka wo ginamu papa ene Shadrack wo mo so eboa ya no pay wo somfu wo hinini amakrancha doors of mami premeni me sorry mami wura o man ya wadubu achatra sa me wiase nyina achi
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansi